मेरे प्यारे बच्चों और मेरे साथियों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने YouTube चैनल फिजिक्स बाय रविंद्र सर में। बच्चों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक जो किसी भी +2 के बोर्ड एग्जाम में पूछ लिया जाता है। और दूसरे जो एग्जाम है, कंपटीशन एग्जाम, चाहे वो जेईई मेन हो, चाहे नेवी, एयरफोर्स, एनडीए, चाहे नीट हो, इस तरह के एग्जाम में भी इस क्वेश्चन से संबंधित बातें पूछ ली जाती हैं। तो आज मैं इसके बारे में आपको बताऊंगा विस्तार से। लेट अस स्टार्ट पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर। It is a device which is used to store the large amount of charge in a small region. Large amount of charge in a small region. Principle. It is based on when a earth conductor is placed near to a charge conductor. On that, when a earth conductor is placed near to a charge conductor, then its capacity increases. Then its capacity increases. This is the definition of parallel plate capacity. Now, construction and theory. Take a conductor and positive charge is given to this conductor. Now place another conductor. So by induction, negative charge will appear in this side and positive charge will appear in this side. That is negative charge on LHS and positive on the RHS. This positive charge side is connected to the earth. So, capacity of this capacitor increases. Here, if we consider A is the area of each plate and sigma is surface charge density and D is the gap between the plates. If we introduce dielectric medium between the plates, then capacity of this conductor can be increased. Here, sigma is the density, positive for the positive plate and negative for the negative plate. Now, we have three regions: region first, region second and region third. For first region, we know that electric field intensity is 0. And similarly for the third region, electric field intensity is 0. And only electric field intensity will be left for the second region, which will be equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. Here, sigma is the charge density. Surface charge density. So, charge per unit area E is equal to Q upon A epsilon naught, but V is equal to E into R. So, V is equal to, now put this value in this equation, Q by A epsilon naught into R. Here R is equal to D. So put R is equal to D for this case. But Q is equal to CV. So C is equal to Q by V. Now put the value of V in this equation. So Q upon A epsilon naught into D. Now cancel out Q to Q and we get C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D, which is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. If the electric medium is introduced, then so we can write introduce, then C is equal to epsilon A upon D. In terms of epsilon R, that is relative permittivity. So C is equal to epsilon R epsilon naught A by D. This is a result of capacitance in case of parallel plate capacitor. Uses. Capacitors are generally used in electric motors such as fan, cooler, water pumps, etc. This device is placed anywhere in the electronics as well as in electrical device.